Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two gaming-ready distro platform, which is Nobara Linux and CachyOS. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Nobara Linux in 2025 is a Fedora-based distro design to make gaming on Linux simple, shipping with NVIDIA drives and a Protein GE and OBX pre-installed. It's stable, beginner friendly, and work out on the box for most games without much tweaking. The trade-off is slower package update compared to hatch-based system. It lacks the deep performance optimization advanced user may want. Talking about the CachyOS, meanwhile, it's an hatch-based rolling release uptuned for speed with optimized kernel CPU-specific build and tools that squeeze out extra FPS and responsiveness. It's perfect for powerful users who want cutting-edge performance and customization. However, its bleeding edge nature means higher risk of breakage, more efficient, more frequent update, and a steeper learning curve. So in conclusion, Nobara is the best plug and play gaming, while CachyOS wins for raw performance if you don't mind tinkering. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.